This short video shows how to use a sock aid, which is a vital piece of equipment if you've had a hip replacement or a knee replacement and you find it very difficult reaching the lower half of your leg or your feet. So with the sock, pull it over the end of the sock aid, the end which doesn't have the strings on it for pulling up, and pull it right up towards the toes. Once you've completed this bit, and again reiterate, make sure you put it right up towards the toes as shown in the video, and this will make sure it slips on a lot more easily. So just moving the camera down to the foot, so you can also see it being put on in the inlet video as well. So you can just put the sock aid on the floor as shown, slide your foot in, or you can have the sock aid off the floor as shown, and then gently pull the sock aid up and around your heel, and the sock should automatically come on up your foot.